Hey, it's Bucky here, back again with another video. Today, I have something truly special for you. I got a gift from my niece and my brother. It's the Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck from Hot Wheels. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, so here we have the box here. Let's take a quick look around the box. So on kind of the top of the box here, we have the RC car, the Cybertruck. We have a controller here. Looks like it's made by Mattel. I'll turn it to its side here. It said it's compatible with the Hot Wheels track builder. Hot Wheels and Cybertruck logo right here. Alright. Here we have the contents. Cybertruck, controller, and one track. We have some pictures of the items inside. Cybertruck, the controller, another Cybertruck, something looking like a battery warning. Has a rechargeable battery inside, and an action shot. On this side, we have a little warning here. Small pieces that are detachable, not meant for children under 3, and a front view of the Cybertruck. I have my trusty slice knife here. I like this blade. It's a ceramic blade. It's a safety blade. So there are 2 sets of pieces of tape here. There's one here. Let's get this one. Okay, and then there's one on this side, but let's try see if we can open it on this side. If it's possible. There we go. Okay, and from this view of the box, we see the controller. There's an extra element here. Looks like some cardboard material. Let's see if we can slide it out. And here we go. We have the little track here. This is the Cybertruck, and we have a controller here. Instruction manual. Plug and file it. Okay. Let's see if we can get this out here. Looks like it's taped in place. Let's see. Ah, very nice. Little tabs here to pull the controller out. And it looks like the Cybertruck is taped in. So let's go ahead and release some of the tape here. Oh, looks like a little thread, actually. A plastic thread. I'll get this thread out here. So here's the Cybertruck. Here's a side view. I actually like the Cybertruck design. It's a really, kind of futuristic, kind of cool design. I'm looking forward to the real version of it. I think it's going to be manufactured at the Tesla Gigaplant or Gigafactory near Austin, Texas. In the back view. Okay, let's take a look at the track here. Let's get the track out. Let's see. Looks like this is also taped in pretty good. We'll have to release some of the tape here. This under cleaning. I think it should slide out as I open this too. And there we have it. So we have this item here, which is the track. I guess this goes here and then attaches into the track, as the track would come out here. We have the remote control. And that's about it. All right. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to charge this up and play around with it. And I'll put another video with a full review of the Hot Wheels Cybertruck RC. All right. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you soon. All right. Just a quick addendum here. This is kind of interesting. I was trying to figure out how to charge the device. So it looks like, you put a battery here, and that not only controls the controller, but also controls the Hot Wheel. There is a panel on the back right here that you open up, and you pull out this cord, and then this cord attaches to the bottom here. And I guess this is how it recharges. So let me recharge it, and I'll see how we use it.